What if I told you? Some of the most brilliant inventions in history killed the people who created them. Not in wars, not decades later, but face to face in real time. These inventors didn't just risk everything for progress, they paid with their lives. And the last one, most people still don't believe how it happened. Stay to the end. Innovation is supposed to save humanity, but sometimes it turns on its creator new conspiracy. No myth, just documented deaths buried in footnotes of history. So let me ask you, how far would you go to prove your invention works? Because these people went all the way. Franz Riselt believed he could make humans fly. In 1912, he designed a wearable parachute suit, part clothing, part wings. Experts warned him, it's not ready. He ignored them. Standing on the Eiffel Tower, he jumped. The suit never opened. Witnesses watched as the inventor hit the ground in seconds. Progress. Zero confidence. 100. But here's the disturbing part. He tested it on dummies before, and it already failed. So why jump anyway? Hold that thought. Thomas Mitchell Jr. helped invent the leaded gasoline, one of the most damaging innovations in human history. Later in life, crippled by illness, he built a machine of ropes and pulleys to lift himself out of bed. His own invention worked until it didn't. Midgley was found strangled, tangled in the very device meant to save him. The man who poisoned millions with lead was killed by his last invention. Poetic or terrifying? Hunley built one of the world's first combat submarines. The Hunley sank. They fixed it. It sank again. They fixed it again. Then Hunley himself boarded it to prove it was safe. It submerged and never came back up. The submarine killed 3 crews, including its own creator. And yet, the military still used it. Ask yourself, when does innovation become obsession? Abakovsky invented the aero wagon, a rail car powered by an airplane engine. The goal? Extreme speed. On its test run, it worked perfectly. On the way out, on the return trip, at full speed, it derailed. Everyone inside died. The invention proved one thing very clearly. Speed without control is just delayed disaster. But the final story is the most unsettling. Bogdanov believed blood transfusions could reverse aging. He tested it on himself again and again. Then he accepted blood from a donor with malaria and tuberculosis. Shortly after Bogdanov died, chasing immortality, he accelerated his own death. So, here's the question that won't go away. Is progress worth it? If the inventor doesn't survive to see it, every invention changes the world. But some change it by erasing their creator. History celebrates the idea and forgets the body. If they shocked you, like, subscribe, and comment. Which invention would you never test on yourself? Because the line between genius and tragedy is thinner than we want to believe.